You ever ask yourself what they really put in street meat? Hold on, gotta take this.
About time, Sob. You running a heist or a holiday? What's the hold-up?
Keep your lid on, boss man. Just gotta square one last thing.
No fires this time, Sob. I mean it. Oh, fuck's sake. Why'd you have to blow the depot? You've just gone and rang the corpo's dinner bill. Forget the gear. Get out of there now. You there, Zob? Give me a sign.
Righto, boss, on me way. Just gotta shake some dollies off first. Too slack, bloody corpo clangers.
Enough dancing around, Zob. Hit the drop point now.
Almost there, big man. Got one last fire to start. Let's see him pull this, Huey.
Oi, Farn, look! It's the gear.